everybody, welcome to my YouTube. Alright, so this is another video of how we be going to build the login page. This is like a login page. You can see we have the icon and this and the register right here, so it's responsive. So this is it. It's really completely responsive, and it's also easy to use to build as well. Alright, okay, so let's get started. So here I'm using VS Code. You can use whatever you want. So if you want to follow along, I will leave the link in the descriptions, the image right here that you can use to code along with this one. Alright, so let's get started. Here, alright, we get this one. I'm gonna change this one to open store. Alright, so I'm gonna track this one right here. So I think what we will need is, first, this is our logo and this is our form, and this is all just the background only. So what I'm gonna do is do the header, header, and inside the header I'm gonna give it the main header, and inside that we're gonna have logo, and one more, I think I'm going to have the form. So this will be our logo and this will be our form. Alright, so inside our logo we just have each one of the open store, and now we have spans to put that store. Okay, and in here we will have the form. We'll have each one. Welcome to open store, and we're gonna have h3 login to your account to continue. Then we're gonna have the input text placeholder, gonna be username. Let me actually do this. And next we're gonna input type password, and the placeholder is password. Alright, one more is button, and login. Oh, not login, it's called login. And alright, I believe we have one more P is to done have account. Then we gotta put A right here to sign up. Alright, I think that will be it. Let me actually, okay, oops, I think I turned on the night mode. Alright, this is it. So this we will go into transform into this one. Alright, so actually link it with the CSS. Shit, CSS. Alright, so now to start. So homepage PG. So this is what we will need. Alright, so now let's start it. So first I'm going to go to the Google fonts. I'm going to grab the font that I love to use, Pacifics. Oops, yeah, Pacific, this one, and one more is Robo, and this one. Great. I'm gonna import this one. Alright, put it here, and then I'm gonna copy this one and Actually, I'm gonna comment this. I will use it later. Great. So, okay. So let's get started. So this one padding 0, margin will be 0. Box size thing. Oops. Border box. Great. Then I'm gonna do HTML. Font family. I'm gonna use robo. Alright. Oops. Yeah. That's better. And I'm gonna create the root variable. So I'm gonna use the main color will be GB28-212-20. Okay, this will give me a nice green. Alright, let's actually get the header. So now header, new background URL, homepage PNG. As you can see right here. So then we want it to be 100% VH. And the width is gonna be 100%. So alright, now background, thigh, cover, background, repeat, no, repeat, yes, I believe this is it. So we can see right here, this will be the full screen and this will be the small screen on the device, something like that. So then we just move our content to the center. Div, display flex. Actually, before I'm adding this one, I'm just showing you first reflect and justify content center, align item center. Great, you can see now we almost and we do flex direction column. I believe, alright, maybe not. Because we have only one div, why would we do it, right? So now we bring it back. Okay, great. So now we see in full screen, this is it. So I'll actually style our main header. Main header. I'm gonna display flag again. So this will be flag. Let me actually do the color to F5. Then I'm gonna change everything. Don't worry. Then what I'm gonna do is to justify content center. Alright, so I'm gonna change the width. So let me actually check the background of it real quick. Alright, so we can see this one. I want it to be the whole screen, so I'm gonna width 100 width of view. So then it's kind of 100% width right here, like that. So then what I'm gonna do is to take a line, center. I believe for now, and flex direction a row. Right, so you not have the anything yet, but so then we're gonna separate this one with this one. So let me go in here. I'm gonna add a class cut and cut right here. So then what we're gonna do is the main header flex no cut select one. Great. Just as you can see right now, everything is perfect right here. So it's separate from each other, and I'll actually delete this background blue right here. Perfect. And one more is align item to the center. So then this will be the center. Ooh. Great. Now let's actually start this logo first. So main header dot logo h1 gonna be font size of 3 rem. Font family. Alright, let me add. Font family, go grab this one right here. Oops. Great. Now this one right here. And then do a color little spacing 5 pixels. Yeah, this is it. Alright, so now we need to make the border logo dot so we want to, right here is the border of the store right here. So let me actually go into, and the class is border store. Great. Then dot border store, and I'm gonna do border 5 pixels solid. Why our main color? Great. Doesn't feel like 5 pixels. Let's do 10. Yeah. Maybe we have some pattern. 10 pixel. Yes, this is it. So now everything. So this side is finished. So we need to work on this one right now. Okay. Maybe we can do this. I'll try to change this one a little bit. Alright, this better. Alright, so now we need to work on this one. Main header form. Alright, so main header dot form stage 1 font size 3 rem, and then the font fam. I think maybe I can. Anyway, I'll just copy and paste this one. And the color should be main color. Great. And yeah, I feel like the font, this one is a little bit bigger. Yeah, this one, maybe I try to increase to maybe 3.5. Yeah, try to increase to 3.5. Oops, no. Okay, that's better. Okay, so then I'm gonna have this one to the margin 10 pixel. Great. So then main header dot form 83. Oops. And then I'm gonna give a margin of 10 pixel as well. Font size to 1.5 rem. Wait, that's better. This one. Okay. Great. So now let's start the input. main header dot form inputs. Then I'm gonna do, let's say, the width to be 100 pixels. See how it goes. Okay, cool. And then try to change, I think, 60. Yeah. This one looks nice. Then I'm gonna do the pattern to 08 RAM and yeah, 0 RAM. Believe this is my a lot bigger. I think maybe try to increase the font size. Font size 1.3 RAM. Yeah, it's better now. Imagines, oops, 10 pixel. Great. I think this have a lot of margins. Yeah. Oh. So I made B margins to 1 RAM. I think it's 2 RAM. It should be correct. Yeah. 2 RAM and 0 RAM. Just we want the top and bottom. I believe we go take a line center and so then we're gonna do the border radius 5 pixel or 50 pixel, and we can do border to 10 pixel solid main color. Oh no, we'll do actually 5 pixel. Alright, that's better. Yeah, this one. Okay, so we're gonna do the outline to none. Great. So I think, yeah, we almost complete this one. So let's go to the bottom. Alright, so we want it to be a little bigger, so I'm gonna do the placeholder to padding of 10 pixel. Maybe it doesn't actually at all. Anyway, alright, so let's target the button. So in the button we do the same. We padding 0.8 RAM, 3.5 RAM. Maybe I think should be 1 RAM. 0.2. I want it a little bit bigger, so okay, this is better. I do the font size of 1.3 RAM. Yeah, and then do margins to 0.5 RAM and 0. Let's do 1 RAM. Great. And we want the background color to be one main color. Put the none. Color FFF and font. Border radius 50 pixel. Yeah, this is it. So now we work on the hover. So main header dot form button hover. So when we hover, we're gonna transform scale 1.2. Right, so we need transition. Oops, not transform, transition 0.5. Great. Voila. So then we got main header form p color FFF. Oh, we actually do A as well. And font size will be 1 rem, 1.1 rem. Right, maybe 1.2. Alright, great. Yeah, there you go. One more. The outline should be none. There you go. See? Alright, we almost complete this one. Next we will do is to when it's this one, so we were gonna make it responsive like this one. Alright, so it's actually simple. So first I'm gonna do add media, max width, when it's 1,000 pixel. So when it's 1,000 pixel, yeah. So then I'm header dot main. Let's see. I want to actually change. Oh no, I think I didn't bring it here. Anyway, so I'm gonna do the main header back logo to display none. So when it's go small, so I think it's almost, yeah, see right here, we almost finished this one. Not like that, not easy like that. So main, yeah, easy like that. And form, we do it background of A 0, 0, 0, 0.8. Yes, yeah. Then I'm gonna do pattern to 20 pixel and 0 pixel. Great. And then we're gonna target input. The main header dot form input. The width will be 90%. Great. Yeah, we almost finished, but the problem is this one right here. So why it doesn't, yeah, see, feel like this one is a lot better. Let me think, what is the problem here? Yeah, if we go to this one, yeah, this one, then let's go to the center, and this one did not. Oh, I think, am I zooming or something? Great. Anyway, so this is take up an entire, I think. So what I need to do is to change the header background. So header, I'm gonna go to the background, will be URL will be, I'm gonna take the image. Alright, let me go to yeah, then where's that image? Yeah, this one right here. So I'm gonna bring this one, I'm gonna put it right here. So we're going to BG this one, background image of this one. So when it hit to this one, so we're gonna change the background image. That's better. And background size, go up. That's great. So I think the problem is that this take up the entire, the width is take up the entire screen, this one. Or maybe yeah, it's responsive right now, but not, yeah, but not like really responsive. Yeah, it's responsive, but yeah, I want to be like this one. Is there any different? I guess let me just do this. Login. What if I open this one? Yeah, it's still the same. This one is look a lot better. I see why. What we're gonna do is do main header. We're gonna do flight direction row, a column, right? Oh, there you go. There you go. So now it's much better. Go this one. Oh man. Okay, so then we're gonna change the style a little bit. So we're gonna maybe 1,000 or 1,200 pixel. Great. So this one, and you go a little bit low, and this one, yeah, there you go. That's great. So I think I'm gonna change this a little bit to 5. Yeah, no, maybe let's go to 7. Yeah, this is it. So yeah, we get, oh, one more is we do the input, the background, transparent. Okay, so the color should be FFF, and also the placeholder should be F as well. Great. There you go. Alright, let me actually check on the phone. Okay, cool. So this is look on the phone, and this is exactly the same. Probably this might look a little bigger, but anyway, we get the same result. Yeah, this, okay, I like this one. I think that's it, I guess. So now, let's see, this might be padding a lot of big than this one, so I'm gonna actually increase the input padding, maybe to 1. 1.2. Yeah, maybe this is it. Great. Alright. Do this, we go, bam. There you go. Alright, I think this is it. Alright, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, bye bye.